Hello everyone. Today you will learn the pronunciation, meaning, and the usage of the word on screen. The word is hegemony. Let's break down the sounds. The first sound is he, he, j, and we stress here on this syllable, hej. And here, money is a after m sound there is a short sound which is like a. Hejema, hejema, and the last one is ni, hegemony, hegemony. So I'm just exaggerating the sound a little so you understand that where we are stressing on the second syllable when we say j, hegemony, hegemony. Hegemony means dominance or leadership of one group, country, or idea over others, especially in politics, culture, or economics. It usually refers to power that influences or control others, sometimes without using force. In simple words, you can say hegemony means when one group has more power and influence than others. Here are the example sentences. This word can be used in different contexts. The first one is political. The country tried to maintain its hegemony in the region through strong alliances. It means that the country has tried to maintain its power or influence. In global context, some experts say the word is moving away from hegemony of a single superpower. So it means that the word is moving away from the control of one superpower. Cultural context. Hollywood has long had hegemony over the global film industry. It means that Hollywood had more influence or more power than the other film industries. It was doing much better, you can say, or it had broader range. Economic context. The company's hegemony in the tech market makes it hard for smaller startups to compete. It means that the company has more reach, more power, it has more customers, it's big. Maybe it has a lot of branches, it's everywhere. People know it, everybody knows it. They have people trust, so they have hegemony. Academic or intellectual context. The professor explained how cultural hegemony shapes the way people think. It means that the culture is popular, well known among people. Maybe people are impressed by it and more people wants to adopt it. So one culture has more influence than the others. Or culture has more influence than other factors. Simple everyday explanation. When one team wins every year and controls the league, it almost has hegemony in that sport. It means that that team has more influence than anyone else in that sport. I hope you understand the pronunciation and meaning of hegemony. If you have any question, let me know in comments. Or if you want me to teach you any other word, let me know and I will make the video on it. See you. Bye bye.